Friends, now I discuss about demand of rearrangement. Okay, very important for IIT JAM, CSR, NET, GATE, etc. Mind it. This is the most important thing and also an important rearrangement for organic chemistry. Okay. Now, what is the demand of rearrangement? Now, when an cyclomethylamine or etc. cycloalkylamines treated with HNO2 then produce an alcohol. Through this rearrangement, we know how and bond migrate and also and bond expansion and also and bond construction, how it is possible. Now I discuss through mechanism of demand of rearrangement. Okay, so follow carefully. Now what is the mechanism of demand of rearrangement? Since we used the HNO2 which is the produce H plus also, now HNO2 which produce H plus plus NO2 minus. Okay, this is the source of H plus, that is produces H plus. Now H O N double bond O, this is the alternative form of HNO2. Okay, now this lone pair of oxygen atom abstract an H plus. Okay, now produces OH2 plus N double bond O. Okay, clear? Now this H2O is the leaving group, so this eliminate and produces N double bond O plus. Okay, now and questions is for this demand of rearrangement, when we use the nitrous oxide HNO2 which exactly produces NO plus. Okay, mind it, NO plus. Now what is the mechanism? Now this is the mechanism. This lone pair of nitrogen atom with abstract N double bond O plus. Okay, this lone pair of NH2 group which indicate on nitrogen atom which attack to the nitrogen atom which have one vacancy, then produces NH2 plus N double bond O. Now minus H plus. Here is an excess H plus which eliminated, then produces NH N double bond O. Okay, now the next step is this NH bond is here and this bond is indicate on oxygen atom. Okay, now the product is N double bond NOH. Okay, OH. Now in presence of H plus, this lone pair of oxygen atom which abstract H plus and produces N double bond N OH2 plus which also acts as leaving group. Now this OH bond is eliminated. This lone pair is here and OH2 is eliminated. Then the product is N triple bond N plus. This is the actually it is N2 nitrogen. Okay, this is the acts as a good leaving group. Now this N2 plus is eliminated. Then the next step is here, that is and 2 degree carbocation is formed. Now in presence of H2O This lone pair is attached to this carbocation and produces OH. This is the end product. Okay, this is the product. This is the product, and here is another product. How it is formed? This is the mechanism. Is this carbocation is formed. Okay, now this bond is expansion. How it is possible? Follow clearly. This bond is expand to this carbon and neutralize the positive charge. Then this carbon is free. Okay, then CH2 plus this is the product. Now in presence of H2O, it attached to the carbon and neutralize the positive charge. Then the product is CH2OH. Okay, and this is the another product. Clear? This is the mechanism of De-Manov rearrangement. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you.